If you're even remotely curious about Holybook's AI chat, this just released AI software might blow your mind. And there are 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. This isn't just another chatbot. And trust me, what I found at the end really surprised me, so stick with me. You can try Holybook's AI chat completely free using the first link below. No credit card, no fluff, just instant access. But before you do, there are a few things that could save you time, and honestly, change how you study or interact with sacred texts forever. Now here's what's really interesting. This tool is built exclusively for people who want to explore holy texts like the Bible, Quran, Torah, Bhagavad Gita, and more, using conversational AI. It's not like ChatGPT where you hope it understands your spiritual context. This is trained specifically on holy books and theological commentary, so its answers are way more aligned with actual scripture and historical context. What makes Holybook's AI chat different from generic AI tools is its accuracy in interpreting spiritual questions. For example, ask it, what does the Quran say about forgiveness? Or, where does Jesus speak about love in the Bible? And it gives you cited responses, often with a verse, and explains it in plain language. No vague answers, no weird interpretations. It supports multiple religions and isn't biased to one. That's powerful. Whether you're a student, a scholar, a pastor, or just someone exploring spirituality, you get deep, contextual answers without having to manually search multiple sources. It's like having a theologian in your pocket 24/7. Another big win. The user interface is clean and super intuitive. You're not overwhelmed by features you don't need. You can search by book, verse, or theme, and even have full conversations like, how does love differ between the New Testament and the Bhagavad Gita? And it understands the nuance. This opens up interfaith learning like never before. Now, let's talk reliability. Unlike most general-purpose AIs that hallucinate or make things up, Holybook's AI chat has a strong citation engine. It references actual passages and doesn't just pull random sentences. That's a huge deal if you're using it for study, teaching, or content creation. It also comes with voice chat and multilingual support, so whether you're reading in Arabic, Sanskrit, Greek, or English, the AI adjusts accordingly. It's one of the most globally aware tools I've tested this year, and I test a lot of AI tools. I run reviews on thousands of them. Now, here's the part that really got me. I asked the AI to compare views on suffering across major religions. Not only did it pull relevant scripture from each, but it explained them side by side with historical and cultural insights. That's something that would take hours to research, and it did it in seconds. And yes, while it's still new and improving, this thing is on track to become the go-to tool for faith-based study, spiritual growth, and even interreligious dialogue. So if you want to try Holybook's AI chat for free, hit that first link in the description. It works instantly. And if you're serious about exploring faith or want a smarter way to engage with spiritual texts, this might just be the most useful AI you try all year. Also, after testing thousands of AI tools, I have added my top recommendations in the description, all of which you can try for free. So if you want to get ahead of the curve in this AI wave, check those out after this.